Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. In today's video, I'm so excited to share with you all that Uber and Lyft drivers and other gig workers can now get guaranteed pay. This is one of the most exciting videos on my channel. Not a lot of drivers know about how to opt into this, so I'm gonna tell you all how to in today's video. Make sure you thumbs it up if you think drivers deserve more pay. And so much money is being left on the table that you can get access to this. So let's get started with the video. So the guaranteed pay for gig workers actually comes through the app Solo. As you can see, I'm even wearing their merch right now, and I'm gonna have a link below to opt in for guaranteed pay. And I'm gonna explain just a little bit how it works. Basically, they have this feature. You can even go on this guy's LinkedIn page, Harry Campbell, advisor and investor in Solo. So they're super legit. As you can see, they're the business app for gig workers. And my favorite feature is the pay guarantee. Look at this, $37 for Uber, 38 bucks for DoorDash, 37 bucks for Instacart. I've gone out and done Instacart for 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours. You guys might have seen my vlog. We are only making 20 bucks an hour, 24 bucks an hour. So this would have been incredible to sign up for this. Oh, by the way, when you use our link, they are gonna send you $15 just for signing up. And I'm gonna show you how it works. You gotta sign up and link your gig account. It's really easy to sign up, but yeah, you can take home $5,000 more a year for the average app-based worker. And so they have a nationwide free app that has limited features. However, when you sign up for the free app or any of these versions, you're gonna help them expand their pay guarantee to your area. So a lot of people are commenting, oh, pay guarantee isn't available in my area. Yeah, it's only currently available in these cities. Now, if you know anything about startups, it's really important that you start in a select city and nail down your process there before going nationwide. So a lot of companies fail. And you see a lot of these companies pop up and then they disappear and you never hear from them again because they try to go nationwide too fast. So again, they're in these cities and they are providing this guaranteed pay feature in that area because they use data from drivers in that area. So again, when you sign up for the free version, let's say you're in California or one of those other cities, you're gonna allow them, or states, sorry, you're gonna allow them to expand the guaranteed pay for that city. And again, guaranteed pay is totally free until the end of the month. They also have federal tax projections, which you can get for the $3.99 version, automated mileage tracking. So I just wanted to explain a little bit how it works. I think this is absolutely phenomenal. You can even write off the subscription on your taxes, so it's a business expense, which is so cool because you're going to pay $7.99 a month, which is basically the price of an expensive cup of coffee or a smoothie, and you're getting opt into all of these daily guaranteed features, except the price of the subscription is a tax write-off. So look at this. I mean, let's say you only made $29 going out, which is still pretty good. They're gonna pay you $8. That already covers the whole monthly cost. I'm like, I don't even understand how they make money. Maybe the price will go up later. If you haven't heard yet about Rideshare University, make sure to check out our link as well down below. You can start your 14-day free trial and get free access to learn how to make a lot of money as a Uber driver, Lyft driver, any of these gig apps. So check out the link below for Rideshare University. Check out Solo. You guys are awesome. Thanks so much. Solo, shout out to you guys. Thank you, Solo, for the merch. Appreciate it a ton, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.